Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification for the latest tips and tricks for free.
Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we will see how to reset Adobe Premiere Pro layout to a saved workspace. Now for this one I'm going to create a new project at first. Okay, yes. And then what I will do is I'll import one video. And then I'll drag this video to the timeline. Suppose this is the layout which I want to use it every time. Then what I will do is I'll go ahead and click on Windows, then Workspaces, and save as new workspace. I will give a name to this workspace. Yes. So this will be the layout. You can see there will be project title, project tab at the top, there will be effect tab at the bottom, then there will be a video here, and then there will be timeline. So this is the layout which I want to use every time when I use Premiere Pro. Suppose if the layout of my workspace is changed, if I close all of these ones, okay, and suppose if my layout becomes like this one, I close all the tabs and I don't know how to open the tabs or which tabs were open, then I can always go back to the layout which I had saved earlier. For example, I will go to Windows, I will go to Workspaces, I will go to Kundan. This is the layout which I had saved. I will click on it and you can see Adobe Premiere Pro will be open in the same layout which I had saved. So this is how you can reset Adobe Premiere Pro layout to the saved workspace. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.